I'm Aaron Graber with Ventrac. In this video, we'll go over the blade for the SSV. No matter where you're located or what winter conditions you deal with, the blade will be one of the primary attachments you use for snow removal. It's best suited for snowfalls between 1 inch and 5 or 6 inches, depending on your type of snowfall. The main advantage of this particular blade is that it's paired with the SSV, and it's much narrower than most other options. This blade comes in at 42 inches wide, and when it's angled to the left or right, it'll fit onto a 36-inch sidewalk. The only other straight blades found on the market today that fit into that size range are those on ATVs or walk-behind equipment. This blade is more efficient and leaves much better results than other equipment this size or a crew of hand shovelers. We also offer a wider 52-inch blade that narrows down to a working width of 48 inches. This blade comes standard with a hardened steel cutting edge, but as you see it in this video, it's shown with the optional poly edge. This is useful for pavers or other delicate surfaces. Most of the operation of this blade will be done on narrow sidewalks. In a lot of cases, those sidewalks are older, which means they have higher edges and more imperfections than newer walks. For this reason, we recommend that you use this blade most of the time in the unlocked position so that the trip is active. By doing this, you safeguard the equipment, the operator, and the sidewalk from experiencing unnecessary force. This blade also has adjustable left and right side skid shoes. It can also be angled to the left or right from the operator station using the hydraulic lever. This blade connects to the power unit using the standard SSV hitch and the 2 standard hydraulics. Also, the SSV can be outfitted with a weight transfer system. So if it is and you're running the blade, you want to make sure you're running the blade in weight transfer setting 0. This will allow the blade to work properly, whether it's in the float position or you're using down pressure. This blade is a simple, effective, and durable attachment for removing snow on sidewalks. If you're interested in this blade or any of the other SSV attachments, visit our website at ventrac.com or visit your local dealer for a demo.